This is more of an app, right?
Yeah. So these are, when you're telling your family and friends, call them Parmesan garlic fries. Between you and I, they're Parmesan garlic squash fries.
Ooh.
So people are going to think they're sweet potatoes if you cook them properly, follow the directions in the book. And you know what? If you think you don't like it, cook it longer. Like these
Make
literally.
it look crispier.
Yes, that's a great point.
And,
really good point.
Caramelize it even more, because at first it tastes like butternut squash. If you keep going, it gets this really sweet taste, and I think a lot of people don't cook it long enough. So these
really
are 20 to 25 minutes per side. And the other huge tip in this one is please use fresh garlic.
Okay.
If you use the stuff in the jar, it has citric acid, it has extra oil.
We're gonna have garlic breath. It's okay.